Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you solve application wasn't able to start correctly issue in your Windows PC. So for this type of issue there are actually many solutions that are advised by different people, but I'm going to just discuss two solutions that actually work. So the first thing is you need to make sure your date and time of your system is correct. It is actually set according to the region in which you are currently. So make sure your date and time is updated. Once it is updated, once you're sure of that, then you need to move on to the second step. For that we need to open up control panel. So let's just go to the search bar and type in control. That brings up the control panel app. Now in case your control panel doesn't look like this, you can just go to view by and make sure it is set to category. Now go to clock and region, just click on this blue text, go to administrative, go to change system locale, and from here just change your system locale to make sure it is pointing actually to the correct region. So in my case it is English United States and I'm happy with that. Click on OK, again click on OK, and then you need to restart your system. And once you do that, you can again try to open up your application and the issue would have been solved. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.